Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the App Lock feature on WhatsApp Web on your PC, ensuring your chats stay private even if you step away from your computer. This new update adds an extra layer of security, so let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer by going to web.whatsapp.com. Make sure your WhatsApp application on your mobile device is up to date. Then, link your device by scanning the QR code displayed on your computer screen to sign in. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu. You'll see a few options there. Find the gear icon, which represents the settings menu, and click on it. Next, you'll be taken to the settings screen. Here, click on Privacy. This section allows you to adjust various privacy settings for your WhatsApp web account. Now, scroll down until you find App Lock. Click on it. Here, you'll see the option to enable App Lock. Simply select the App Lock option. You will then be prompted to create a strong password. Remember, your password should be between 6 and 128 characters and can include letters, numbers, and common punctuation. Use a combination of these to make it as secure as possible. After entering your desired password, click OK. After confirming your password, you can choose the duration after which the app will automatically lock. You can set it to lock after 1 minute, 15 minutes, or 1 hour of inactivity. Select the time frame that best suits your needs. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully enabled App Lock on WhatsApp Web. Now, whenever you leave your computer, your WhatsApp chats will be protected by a password. This ensures that even if someone else uses your computer, they won't be able to access your private conversations. If you ever want to disable the App Lock, simply follow the same steps and deselect the App Lock option. You'll need to enter your password to confirm the change. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your WhatsApp experience.